Greetings, I'm Feierman. We are ProjectorReviews.com, and today we've got a little box opening party. Today's victim is from Optoma. It is their UHD51A. Before I even start, let me tell you a little bit about it. It's $16.99 list price. This is a 4K UHD projector. It is really sharp. Okay. It's smart. Finally, we are starting to see smart projectors. You know, like smart televisions that can run Netflix and apps and all kinds of other crazy stuff. I really haven't worked with this one yet, but that's the promise here. In fact, while this is $16.99, the otherwise identical but not as smart HD51, or near identical I should say, is $13.99. Well, more on that in the full review. How's that? Okay, let's see what we got here. I already carved this open a bit. First things first, there's a little addendum, okay, coming off of an inkjet printer, basically, on your startup guide. So we can assume there's a startup guide in here, and it's talking about using voice commands to turn the projector on and off. That's something only one of the last 20 projectors I've reviewed is capable of doing. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Alexa's on board. Inside the box, we have a very small remote control. Okay, the remote control is small. I haven't taken the battery compartment out yet, but it sure doesn't look like it's backlit. That's unfortunate, but at least it's white. Okay, let's set that over here with all the other remotes and do a little bit more unboxing here. I'm not very good at this, but I'll do the best I can. Let's do it this way. Success, mostly. Okay. See what else is in the box here? All kinds of goodies. Look at that, a free Echo Dot. Well, I guess you need that for Amazon capabilities, an HDMI cable, a power cord, some additional documentation. Yeah, looks like we may have, what is that? Okay, that looks like an HDMI connector, so that's probably wireless. Okay, so we'll find out more in the review. Put all that back here, let's take a look at this puppy. Okay. Recyclable, always nice. Projector. See, all I did was slice open the box. I had not previously taken a look at this guy other than seeing it at trade shows. Very nicely packed. Unlike some, this seems to be a full production regular unit, not one specifically sent out for reviewers. Always a nice touch. You know they're not cheating. Okay, let's see. Let's unload the bag, toss it back in the box, pull off the plastic, lose the box, and, well, there's more plastic on here, so let's get that off. Very good. Are we having fun yet? $16.99, smarter than all get out. Alexa on board. Okay, zoom lens. We've got lens shift. This is a 4K UHD. It uses the lower resolution of the two 4K UHD DLP chips. This one is basically a 1080p chip that can pixel shift 3 additional times, and that gets it up to the 8,000,000.3 pixels required to qualify as 4K UHD. Short version, sharper than a standard 1080p projector, not as sharp as a true 4K projector. Everybody can quibble, but that's the basics. Okay. If I flip it around to the back, which you can't see from this distance, this guy is loaded with all kinds of jacks. There's a couple of HDMIs, a couple of USBs, hardwired networking, digital optical out, more USBs, audio in, audio out, and even an old-fashioned VGA computer input for regular analog computers and component video. Traditional control panel by Optoma. It's finished in black and gray, very attractive. And once again, 4K capabilities, $16.99, and smart as all get out. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Optoma UHD51A. It's going to be one of the hottest sellers on the market. Stay tuned for our full review and our other video. Thanks a lot. Feierman, ProjectorReviews.com. Thanks for joining us today.